Welcome back, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal here in the Maryland office with the Natural Transplants, and we are very happy to have Alena here today. We're going to have a fun day today. I feel it. We're going to have fun. All right, how are you feeling today?
Great.
You doing okay?
A little anxious, but great.
All right, that's all good. That's normal. Tell us,
Yes.
if you wouldn't mind, just sort of pulling back your hair, and we'll kind of see what we're going to be working on today. And so I would consider that moderate to significant. And we talked about how there is not an unlimited supply of hair. And for some women, we may not be able to cover it all. I think we'll be okay today, especially with your hair. Your hair is fantastic for this. It takes up, each individual hair fiber takes up a lot of room. All right, everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal here at the Maryland office of Natural Transplants, and we have Alena. Alena, you are 12 months out. You are a year out from your edgiversary, and we'll show you the before pictures in a minute. But you've had an incredible result. Congratulations! Good to see you again.
Thank you. Thank you.
How you feeling? How's the year been?
Minus COVID. Great. I haven't really been able to showcase it, but being in the house has
that's true.
Been a lot better.
Yeah.
So you know what? This is the au natural, no color, no nothing. This is outcome. I'm excited.
Very good. Let's see it. Yeah, it's been long enough. Let's see it. So yeah, put your head down, kind of 3 or 4 seconds. Just kind of look down and lift up your hair so we can kind of see. And we'll put the before pictures on there. And you went from nothing to that again. 30 to 40% is kind of what we're shooting for. And oh man. That looks awesome. It just shapes your face and gives you something. Has it been, I know you haven't been going out due to COVID and everything like that. Have you been able to put a ponytail in or anything? Have you been able to take advantage of it at all?
I've worked some styles that I haven't been able to do.
Good.
We actually went to a little resort that had a pool, like a little, and it was such a joy to get the water come out and like put like 2 little big fat braids go into the back with the edge. It was so nice.
Oh, good. Just be careful. Nothing too tight. I don't want you ripping these guys out, too. Okay.
But I could just get it off of my face and not have to worry. So I was excited.
Awesome. Yeah. That looks awesome. Any problems with the back? Any discomfort from the scar in the back? Have you been able to find it? Anyone see it? Okay. All right.
So can't even see it. Like I have a little.
You would never be able to see it in that. Yeah. Oh wait. Oh, you getting a call? That's okay. That's all right. Yeah, we'll cut that out. We'll cut that out. No big deal. That looks awesome. That looks awesome. Congratulations. I'm so excited for you. It was really cool to kind of see the before and the after and, you know, the video. I appreciate you sharing your story. Like you said, there's still a lot of women that don't know this is an option, and it's really important for them. It may not be for everybody, but it's for a lot of people, and it can really help a lot of people out.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. Awesome. And so people get it done. You understand? It's so much better, feeling more confident than not. Good. And I would do it again if I had to. Awesome.
Well, the good news is you don't have to, so that's good. Yeah. Alena, thank you so much for doing this. Congratulations, happy edgiversary, and we'll see you next time. Okay. All right, Alena, take care.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.